Now, were there other types of indicators that would have fired off? Absolutely. Right about in here or possibly in here, you would have seen the MACD starting to diverge, where you've got price moving up. I've got that backwards. My apologies. Probably right about in here is where you would have seen the MACD diverge, where you've got price starting to move up. Oh, I'm just cracking up at myself. See, this is why I like to prepare it. Let me focus here for a second. Okay, we've got price moving down. Right about in here is where you'd see MACD moving up as you see price moving down. There, I said it. Oh, and I said it right. So it's not to say that the indicator or the system isn't going to give you a signal, but if you're already planning for it, think about it. Now you're not taken by surprise. That's the key. I can't tell you how many traders I see. They buy, some trading course, and I'm not going to name names because I've got friends that are in the business. And again, I'm not picking on the systems. All I'm saying is that I don't care how good your system is. If you don't have trading skills, you individually, then your odds for making money long term are very, very low. And it's simply looking at statistics. I mean, listen, what is it, 99, almost 99, probably 98% of all trading accounts inside of 6 months are busted. It's not because you can't, it's not because it's not possible to trade. It's that the focus is on the wrong stuff. So you've got to focus on the trading skills. You've got to focus on developing a trading plan based on common sense, logical reasoning, just like we've been talking about here. Looking at this week, we've got resistance setting up here. We've got support setting up here. If the market gets above this level, it's bullish. If the market gets below this level, it's bearish. Now, it's made even more prominent by the fact that we have what's called an inside week. Look at this. 1 week is printing inside, completely inside the other. Okay? This is also called a Harami reversal. Now, we do need a confirmation, but listen, folks, I don't care what is going on in the news. This is a bearish formation at this point. So, again, how do we plan for that? Well, we plan for the possibility. We plan for the possibility that the market could be significantly lower. We also plan for the possibility that this is just another pause in the run-up, just like this was a pause. I can't tell you how many traders who were saying we've got what's called a gravestone doji on the weekly. Yeah, we sure did, but the market was not able to follow through. So we've got to keep that in mind, that we may see another case where the market is unable to follow through. What that means is, okay, now is where we're finally getting to the trading plan. I know some of you maybe you've gotten to the point where you're just fast forwarding all the way to the end because he's going to ramble on for a while and then give the trading plan at the end. So here's what I'm planning for next week. We've got a support zone still right here. Okay, so the market I'm planning on coming into this area and gaining some support. The top end is sitting right now at 99.20. The bottom end is sitting at 98.60. So from 99.20 to 98.60, we're going to have to watch and see if if support starts coming into the market. What is that going to look like? Well, let's get the 60-minute in here. That's what it's going to look like. Okay, it's going to look like this type of action where you don't see the market able to push down. Plus, you see, I just love this pattern right here. I call it the sneak attack. Plus, you see these sneak attacks. Now, I haven't really spent a lot of time on these sneak attacks, but I'm here to tell you that there are 2 key times. If you want to write these times down, write them down, because you're going to find this pattern repeat over and over and over. In fact, one of the traders I've coached, this is the only thing that he trades, this one trade. Between 3 and 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you're waiting for the market to form a sneak attack, which simply means you have a push up